I just got a negative review on Facebook. Pause to read. And I would like to address a couple things because I love feedback on my course. I'm always looking to improve it, but she's got a lot of things incorrect. So let's go through it together. Number one, I am actually here with you until you pass. Yes, I give you 3 months of access, but if you need to extend that access, I extend it at no charge whatsoever. Yes, the course is $200, but it is the most comprehensive program that is out there. UWorld gives you practice questions. I give you that and more. NCLEX High Yield and Marquet, they only give you lecture content. I give you so much more. I even give you a content schedule, nursing school review, anti-anxiety techniques, strategy. It is the most comprehensive thing out there. Also, you don't need to follow my schedule. I give you a suggested schedule. You can do whatever schedule you want. I created a content schedule to make sure that you can get through the entire program and you don't miss anything. You can always schedule more than a 15-minute call if you need extra help, but because the program is designed for you to work on your own, you don't need me to give you extra tutoring. But I do every single Monday night do a Zoom call with everybody and we can discuss anything you want. You can also email me every single day, and some people do, just to get encouragement, to explain rationales, anything you need. I'm literally here with you until you pass. If you have any other questions about anything inside of my course, I would love to answer those questions or concerns or address anything or add anything to the course that you think is missing that maybe is in another person's program and you want to see it in mine. I would love to add it. I'm always looking to improve what I have and be the best thing out there to help you pass the NCLEX.